everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. The only shop in Asansol, which is famous for its uniqueness. This shop is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305 and another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips, banana stick, roasted peanuts, soya. There are crores of stars in the sky. There will not be any difference when one of them stop to twinkle. Just like this, one of the teacher who always used to try to say his student that suicide is illegal, suicide is immoral, has committed suicide himself. His students were asking themselves whether the statement of the teacher was correct or what he committed was correct. Simply, a person does not want to die when he can earn for his or herself family, when he can lead his life normally. When a farmer commits suicide, it is alleged that due to financial burden he has done so. When a student commits suicide, it is said that he committed suicide due to extra educational pressure. But when a teacher of sound economical background commits suicide, what we can guess? He may have committed suicide due to ignoring attitude of his family or due to disrespect showed upon him or due to mental pressure exert on him by some near and dear ones. It is said that teacher of Baranpur was very much amicable person. He was holding the post of vice president of TMC Sikshak Cell. His name was Buddha Dio Samdar. He was of 42 years residing at Santa village under Hirapur police station. Early in the morning on 4th November, he hanged in his house. Later on, police seized his body and sent to Asansol district hospital for postmortem. So please do not use ignoring attitude to malign one's personality. If one loves to that person, it may lead to that. It has been reported that in 2016 the number of suicide in India had increased to 230 314. Suicide was the most common causes of death in both of the age group 15 to 29 years and 15 to 39 years. About 8 lakh people die by suicide worldwide every year. Of these, 1,35,000, 17% are resident of India, a nation with 17.5% of world population. Between 1987 and 2007, the suicide rate increased from 7.9 and 10.3 per 1 lakh, with higher suicide rate in southern and eastern state of India. In 2012, Tamil Nadu 12.5% of all suicide, Maharashtra 11.9% and West Bengal 11% had the highest portion of suicide among large population state. Tamil Nadu and Kerala had the highest suicide rate per 1 lakh people in 2012. The male to female suicide ratio has been about estimate for number of suicide in India vary. For example, a study published in Lancet projected 1,87,000 suicide in India in 2010, while official data by the Government of India claims 1,34,600 suicide in the same year. According to WHO data, the age standardized suicide rate in India is 16.4 per 1 lakh for women, sixth highest in the world, and 25.8 for men, ranking 22nd in the world. Home Minister Amit Shah today will reach Bankura in morning. Here 60 number of Bankura city will garland the statue of Birsa Munda in Pubya Bagan adjusted to the national road from where they will directly go to Ravindra Bhavan where he will attend the meeting with party leaders and personals. In the afternoon, the tribal head will go to Chaturandi village about 10 km from Ravindra Bhavan. In this village, BJP worker will eat midday at house of Vibhishan Hansa. Returning from here, he will again meet with the people of different sectors in Ravindra Bhavan. In view of the arrival of the minister, extensive security arrangements have been made from Birsa Munda statue site to Ravindra Bhavan and Chaturandi village, etc. Everywhere security guard and police have been deployed on the scene. The readiness of BJP leaders and workers has been seen Thursday morning for the final presentation. The leader of the party are gathering all information about the race. His passing route has been bridged by the BJP flag. Cleanliness is being done in the tribal house, which they will eat midday. Bhishan Vibhishan Hansa of the tribal family said that according to the tribal tradition, on the banana leaf, rice, lentils, poppy, and chutney will be served to the Home Minister. This visit of the Home Minister is concerned to be very important politically in view of the next year's assembly election. In the political corridor, in the 2019 Lok Sabha election, the BJP achieved good result in the Jungle Mental area. Political analysis say that to keep the tribal vote intact, this journey of Amit Shah and midday meal in tribal village is an important objective. However, BJP leader and worker are not accepting this. Vishanpur when the elephants left Purulia, Bankura and entered the forest of Dalmar. The forest department worker had to burn them to bring them back to the forest. According to the forest department, there are 42 elephants in the area. Durgapur local people were agitated after three bombs were found alive in Kamalpur area under Durgapur police station area. Police reached the spot after receiving information and recovered the bomb. People in the area said that on Wednesday morning a local man was cleaning the forest. During this time he caught sight of the plastic that contained three live bombs. The police of Durgapur police station is investigating the case. Sankodia, November 4, senior reporter Vikas Prasad. According to him, crop west combustion Resistance Day was observed on Wednesday in Nuturia block of Purulia district. Other including Parimal Burman, ADO of Nuturia block, were present on the occasion. Performance of Trimool SC/ST cell at Pandeshwar General Manager Office.
আমাদের প্রিয় বিধায়ক রিসপেক্টেড শ্রী জিতেন্দ্র তিওয়ারি জি, আমাদের বাবা সাহেব আম্বেদকরজির এখানে একটা মূর্তি শিলান্যাস করে গিয়েছিলেন, কিন্তু এখানকার যে পাণ্ডেশ্বরের যে বিধায়ক আছে, পাণ্ডেশ্বরের যে জিএম আছে, সে এখন জানে না পাণ্ডেশ্বর ব্যাপারে। তার জন্য এরা কী করেছে, এখানকার যে দালাল জিএম আছে, ও জিএম আর বাবা সাহেব মূর্তি যে হচ্ছিল সেটা বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে। কারণ কি আছে, আমরা এসটি সম্পাদকের লোক, আমাদের কোনো কিছু নেই। এরা বিজেপির ইশারাতে এখানকার নালায়ক বেহুদা জিএম বাবা সাহেব মূর্তি বন্ধ করে দিল। কেন বন্ধ করা হলো ভাই, কিসের জন্য বন্ধ করা হলো? তার জন্য আজকে আমরা ডিপুটেশন দিতে এসেছি। কারণ একটাই আছে কি, পশ্চিম বাংলা কা শান্তি করে বিজেপি যদি ভাবছে, এখানকার জিএম যদি ভাবছে কি বাবা সাহেবকে নিয়ে খেলা করব, আমরা খেলা করতে দিব না। কারণ আমাদের বিধায়ক, আমাদের দিদি আমাদের সঙ্গে আছে। এই বলার জন্য আমরা এখানে এসেছি। এই আমার বক্তব্য আছে ভাই।
আচ্ছা, এটা কি বিজেপির তরফ থেকে বন্ধ করা হয়েছে?
বিজেপির তরফ থেকে না, বিজেপির দালাল হয়ে এখানকার যে জিএম আছে, নালায়ক বেহুদা জিএম, ও বন্ধ করেছে। ওর যে বাপ আছে বিজেপি, ওর বাপ ওকে বলেছে কি তুমি বন্ধ করো, ওর ইশারাতে বন্ধ করেছে। তার জন্য আজকে আমরা এখানে ডিপুটেশন দিতে এসেছি। আর এই যদি না শুনে, ঠিক আছে, রোড চালা আমরা মুশকিল করে দেবো। ST/SCর লোক যে আমরা আছি, এই রোডে হাঁটতে দিব না ভালো করে। এটা আমাদের একদম শপথ আছে। এটা
মানে উনি বিজেপির ইশারাতে এটা বন্ধ
করে, বিজেপির বাপ হয়তো বিজেপির ইশারাতে বন্ধ করেছে। এখানকার সংবিধান আমাদের যে লিখিছে, তার মূর্তি বন্ধ করেছে এখানকার নালায়ক জিএম।
বিজেপির যে নীতি ধর্ম সংক্রান্ত ব্যাপারে, জাতি ভেদ যেটা তৈরি করা মানুষের মধ্যে, SC/STকে এই আমাদের পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মধ্যে ওরা যেটা উত্তরপ্রদেশে করে বলে যে ধর্ষণ করা, বিজেপির করা, সব ব্যাপারটাই এখানে ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করতে চাইছে। সেটা ওরা ডাইরেক্ট পাচ্ছে না, ওদের সংগঠন নেই। তার জন্য এই দালাল জিএমের মারফতে এইসব জিনিস করাতে চাইছে। যেটা জিএমের করা উচিত সেটা আমাদের বিধায়ক করছে, যে আম্বেদকরের মূর্তি স্থাপন করছে, যেটা জিএমের দায়িত্ব, সেটা জিএম না করে আমাদের বিধায়ক সাহেব করছেন। কিন্তু বিধায়ক সাহেবকে বাধা দিচ্ছেন উনি।
তো যে জায়গাটা মূর্তিটা হচ্ছিল,
আজকে আমাদের এই
যে জায়গাটা মূর্তিটা হচ্ছিল, জমিটা
সব এখানের মানুষের, লোকাল পাবলিকের জমি,
ECL এর না তো?
লোকাল জমি, ECL এর জমি এখানে কিছু নেই। ECL অবৈধভাবে খনন করছে এখানে।
ECL এর ওয়ার্কারকে এখানকার জনগণ আছে না, এখানকার যে আমাম আছে তার জমি আছে, ওর বাপের জমিটা না।
এটা ভেটের জায়গা।
Andal, the villagers of Harispur village staged a demonstration and Girao on the Kajoda area general manager's office in issue seeking rehabilitation. After the demonstration, a demand letter was handed over to the administration in this regard. Namita Mandal and Archana Gop told that we have been wondering here that therefore the last 5 months Puri village collapsed after we got observed in the village.
আলোচনা এখন পর্যন্ত হয়নি, আমরা কোনো উত্তর পাইনি। আমাদেরকে বলছে 15 দিন, 10 দিন, 18 দিন, 20 দিন, এই তো টাইম দিয়েছে কোর্টের মতো। আমরা এখনো পর্যন্ত সঠিক কোনো সুরা পাইনি।
যে মন্ত্রী এসে বলে গেল যে আমাদের ফ্ল্যাট,
ঠিক আছে, আমাদের 15 দিন উনি টাইম দিয়েছিলেন। আর 15 দিন কেন, আজ 4 মাস হয়ে গেল, এখনো পর্যন্ত কোনো সুরা হয়নি। এখন পর্যন্ত আমরা সেটা জানছি না।
Raniganj, sometimes a person becomes so selfish that even before that he does not give any importance to his child's life. One such incident occurred in the Raniganj police station area on Wednesday morning, when the people of the area near National Highway 16 were caught sight of the incident. Their spirit is shown. They saw a dog dragging the body of a child. 5 tips to help you stay healthy in changing weather. Sunny one day, rain the next. Add in the morning breezing and evening storms. Had you have got the usual unpredictable forecast that seems to accompany changing season. While it's difficult enough to match your waterboard to the forecast, fluctuating weather pattern and changing temperature can leave you feeling ill to boot. Here are a few tips to ramp up your health when the weather being to wreak havoc on your health. Drink up fresh fruit juice rich vitamin C are a great way to start off the morning. The extra C boost will kick your immunity fighting ability into gear. Add honey to juice to smooth a sore throat that has fallen vitamin to changing conditions. Similarly, drinking several glasses of water a day is necessary to protect your body from illness and disease by fluxing toxics and helping you to absorb nutrition. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water per day or approximately half your
clear the
body
air.
weight
Seasonal
in
weather
oxygen.
change
Can exacerbate allergy symptoms as pollen and molds start to float through the air. But did you know the air inside your home can be 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Decluttering the equipping your HVAC system with a high efficiency HEPA filter can also go a long way in reducing the presence of dust and dust mites. For best result, change your filter as recommended by the manufacturer. Similarly, installing a whole home air filtration system like the Lennox Pure air purification system can dramatically improve indoor air quality and set you off on the path to better health. Third, exercise outdoor. Keeping an active lifestyle and getting a little fresh air is essential to good health. Not only does a daily workout help to eliminate winter doldrums, it can also keep you in a great shape. Try to get at least 30 minutes of exercise each day. When it's just too cold to go out, try an exercise video to do a little yoga or lift weight indoor. For rest, if you are waking up feeling less than refreshed and reasoning, chances are you are not getting the high quality sleep you need. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. Sleep offers the body a chance to rest and repair, strengthening your immunity system and eliminating toxics. 5. Mind the weather and your wardrobe. People are most at risk of becoming ill during periods of seasonal transitions. That's because as outside influence such a weather condition change suddenly, the body regulation maximizations can be caught unaware, triggering changes in temperature that affect the immune system as it tries to keep up. Elevate the toll on your body. Dress in layer during seasonal transitions. Add and subtract as needed. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust myself to always reach my destination. Jimmy Dan.